Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you are new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. So welcome to Shimmers and Polishes, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notification. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this super glam and super easy eye makeup look. It's navy blue and rose gold eye makeup look, perfect for any occasion. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. I'm going to prime my lids with Maybelline's Age Refined Concealer in the shade Fair. I'm going to use a lighter concealer for this eye makeup look, and I'm going to blend that all well with my fingers. And for this eye makeup look, I'm going to use Morphe's 35B Color Burst palette and the shade called Denim from the palette on a medium bullet size brush. And I'm going to place the product first and then blend. So I'm placing the product and I'm going to blend that all well till I'm happy with the way the color looks like. I want a nice navy blue for this eye makeup look. Next, I'm going to work on my outer corner of my eye because I want it like a cat eye makeup look. So I'm creating the cat eye shape here. I'm going to place the product and blend that all well. Transition shade, I'm going to use Morphe into Jaclyn Hill palette and the shade called Butter. I'm sorry for the brush, it's worn out almost. And I'm going to blend that navy blue with that shade called Butter. I'm going to apply more of that navy blue for the maximum color payoff, and I'll dip a Q-tip in some micellar water and I'm going to clean the inner 2/3 of my eyes for that cut crease kind of a look. So I'm just using some micellar water, dabbing that excess water on my hand, and then I'm going to clean out my inner 2/3 eye. I'm going to use the shade called Sissy from Morphe into Jaclyn Hill palette. It's beautiful pinky rosy shade, and I'm going to apply that first with my fingers. I didn't want this kind of a shade, but then I'm going to work it out. I'm going to apply the same color on my inner corners as well so that it looks nice, like a nice cut crease kind of eye look. So I'm going to use a flat shader brush for this, and once I'm done with this, I'm going to blend that with the navy blue with the same brush because it should look there should be a beautiful transition between the two shades. And once I'm happy with the way it looks, I'm going to apply Stella glitter in Kitten Karma. It's a beautiful rose gold glitter, so I'm going to apply that in my inner 2/3 of my eye. Next, working on my brows, I'm going to use Sugar's brow definer in the shade Cherry Brown, and I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. Apply Maybelline's Age Refined Concealer to cover my under eye dark circles in the shade Medium and LA Girls Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. I'm going to blend that all well and set it with Colourpop's setting powder in the shade Translucent. Next, I'm going to work on my lower lash line. I'm going to apply the same navy blue shade and I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line, and on my inner 2/3 I'm going to use the shade called Sissy. Next, for my brow bone and inner corner highlight, I'm going to use the Balm's Merry Luminizer. It's beautiful highlighter, you guys. Now I'm going to apply Isadora's Contour Kajal on my upper lash line, curl my lashes and apply Isadora's 2-in-1 brush mascara. You can go ahead and add falsies if you would like to. For my lower waterline, which I totally forgot, I'm going to apply Wet n Wild's contour liner in Calling You Buff, and for my outer corner, I'm going to apply that Isadora Kajal. I have applied some rhinestones because I love rhinestones, and this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel, Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. And until next time, take care. Bye.